Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to remove image zoom from your products in WooCommerce. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where in the upper right corner you can get started logging into your account. So go ahead and log in if you've not already, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where in the left side screen you can find all the sections for managing your WordPress website such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to remove the zoom effects. First things first, open up the WooCommerce option right here at the left side screen. That's going to open up this menu where if you do not already have a store, you can get started starting a new store, and if you have one, you can just go ahead and manage it from here. And now we can get started with removing the zoom effects. As you can see, there is an article right here. Somebody already asked how to remove the zoom effect on WooCommerce, and basically we have been applied this answer right here that we can use this code. By using this code and copy and pasting it into your WooCommerce store, as you can see, somebody replied that it works perfectly. So this is what you want to do. Go ahead and find this article if you've not already and copy this code right here and paste it into your WooCommerce store. And if you're asking yourself where to paste it, somebody already asked the same thing. Basically, you want to go ahead and check out this link right here if you need it, but basically it's going to show you how to paste PHP code into your WooCommerce store. So by getting this code there, it's going to remove the image zoom from your products, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.